Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be solving a question on algebraic proofs. So we have a question: prove algebraically that the sum of any two consecutive integers is always an odd number. Right. To solve this question, the first thing we need to understand is the definition of consecutive integers. When we say two numbers are consecutive numbers or consecutive integers, we mean that these two numbers follow themselves intermittently. So what do I mean? Take, for instance, I have 3, 4, 5. So we say 3, 4, 5. I can call these consecutive numbers because they follow themselves in a particular order, following a particular pattern. So these are consecutive integers. Now, to solve this question, the first thing we are going to do is we say, let two numbers, say let m and n be members of the integer set. So let them be in the set of integers because we said there are two consecutive integers. So we say let m and n be numbers belonging to the integer set of numbers, right? Now, since they follow themselves intermittently, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say, right, so we assume that n now will be equals to m plus 1. Now, the reason why we are doing this is because we know that m and n are following each other. So if m is to be the first number and n is to be the second number, it means that m now will be m and n will be m plus 1 since they are following themselves in a particular order. So of course, the next number after this, we are assuming that to be m plus 2. So to make sure that we have a pattern. So the next thing we want to do is to go back to what we have been asked to prove, which is the sum condition we have here. So they said the sum of the two integers. So I'm going to say, therefore, now m plus n now would be m plus m plus 1. So that will be m plus m plus 1. So m plus n is going to give me 2m. And 2m, I'll add that to 1. So we have 2m plus 1 as our simplification. We cannot simplify this further. Now, we know, the idea is, we know that 2m is what? Even, of course, because 2m can be divided by 2, since 2m is divisible by 2. So hence, 2m plus 1 is what? Is odd. And therefore, we have a solution to our proof. So we can establish now that sum of two consecutive integers is always odd. I hope to see you on the next proof. Ensure you subscribe and stick around. Thank you.